Hi, I'm WFS Simmons. This is WebFilmSchool.com, the free, I hope you heard that, free film school on the web. And this filmmaking lesson, Film Tip 101, is on medium budget feature films. Film Tip 100 was the $3 to $5 million TV MOW. This filmmaking tip is going to be on the $5 to $7 million HBO special or Showtime original. Let's get to the clipboard. Let's get into some real information on the HBO special, Showtime original, or the pay cable movie. The pay cable movie. First off, pay cable networks. There are really 5 of them. When you sign up for cable, that you make a decision, do you want a movie channel, and are you going to spend another $10 to $12? Those networks are HBO, Showtime, Encore Stars, Disney, and Playboy. Let's forget about Disney and Playboy, HBO, Showtime, Encore Stars. And the big 2 are either HBO or Showtime. HBO or Showtime. Now, let's understand something about HBO and Showtime. They're movie cable networks. Did you hear the word movie? Movie. There are 6 major distributors: Warner Bros., Paramount, 20th Century, Universal, Sony, etc. HBO had made deals with 3 of those 6 to get their movies. Showtime made deals with the other 3 distributors to get their movies. Now, here's the problem. Warner Bros., Paramount, 20th Century, etc. don't make enough movies for HBO and Showtime because those 2 networks program 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So eventually, HBO and Showtime each had to vertically integrate and manufacture some of their own product, but they had to make product that you think is a movie because you're spending $10 to $12 a month to get movies. So what's a movie from HBO or Showtime? Now remember, HBO and Showtime has no advertisers, so they don't have to pander to advertisers, so they can do violence, nudity, swearing, have a little bit more blood in their subject matter. So if you want to make a movie for HBO or Showtime, get a more sensual, titillating, action-oriented script. Now, your key, though, is you got to get movie actors, which, by the way, in filmmaking tips later coming up, I'm going to teach you something about actors, filmmaking tips 103 to 105. You need a movie actor, not a TV actor. A movie actor is that A or A- actor. A actors are the big ones that open feature films. A- ones are those that as soon as you say their name, Holly Hunter, Sissy Spacek, Jodie Foster, you don't think TV shows, you think movies. You think movies. So get your script, then attach 2 A- name actors, put on a budget of $5 to $7 million, partner with somebody that's made something for HBO or Showtime, since this is maybe close to your first project, and you'll probably get financing of $5 to $7 million from HBO or Showtime. This will be a 5 to 7 week shoot. Above the board, you'll sign with the 3 guilds, Writers Guild, Directors Guild, and SAG, and you have 2 A- actors. Some examples, look on the screen. You know, the Bernard and Doris movie about Doris Duke, Susan Sarandon, Ralph Fiennes. See the actor? The HBO movie about the tsunami. See the 2 main actors, Tim Roth, Toni Collette. The Mrs. Harris movie. Annette Bening was in it. Ben Kingsley. Out of Season, Dennis Hopper, Gina Gershon. Relatively recent, Grey Gardens, Susan Sarandon, and Drew Barrymore, the A- actors. So here's the bottom line for you. This is not going to be your first feature film. Your first feature film is probably that no budget or the $1 to $2 million feature I've been teaching to make. The second feature film is the TV MOW at the $3 to $5 million. This is probably your 3rd or 4th feature film. The HBO special or the Showtime original. $5 to $7 million budget, 5 to 7 week shoot, 2 A- A-list movie names. The subject will have a little bit more violence and blood in it, swearing, nudity, and sex. And this is your 3rd or 4th product. Happy filmmaking. What's coming up next in Filmmaking Tip 102 is your international co-production $7 to $10 million deal. Got it? Now, here's what you've just learned. The pay cable movie is not going to be your first feature film. Remember your game plan. The pay cable movie will be your third or fourth feature film. Your first feature film is going to be a low-budget feature that you put in festivals, get awards, and get theatrical distribution. Then you'll go up in budget, and your next feature film is going to probably be a TV or cable MOW. But now that you got a little bit of credibility, your third feature film, you're going to get a titillating script, you'll have the ability to finance and hire 2 A-list actors, and you're going to present it to HBO or Showtime. You're going to get a $5 to $7 million budgeted feature film being made. You're going to get a producer-director's fee of probably $300,000 to $500,000, and once again, it'll be either the HBO special or the Showtime original. But it's going to be your third to fourth feature film. Now, the next filmmaking tip coming up, 102, is going to be your international global co-production. Hi, once again, I'm Doug Simmons with the 2-Day Film School. You've just gotten 5 minutes of information. My real film school is the 2-Day Film School, 1,000 minutes of information. And if you go to my website, webfilmschool.com, you'll see the locations and the dates of where you can attend the amazing 2-Day Film School. And if you can't wait or you can't attend, then I put the 2-Day Film School right here in a box set, the DVD Film School, and I guarantee you that it's amazing. If you want to learn how to budget, schedule, finance, write, direct, shoot, edit, market, distribute, finance your first feature film, and launch a filmmaking career as producer, writer, director, filmmaker, even an actor, then get the DVD Film School. Don't wait. Take action. I can give you all the information, but you got to take the action. God bless. Happy filmmaking.